Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at TradeTime. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. TradeTime is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex and CFD broker that offers more than 200 instruments and flexible account types. With TradeTime, you can trade without paying commission fees and benefit from deep Tier 1 bank liquidity and tight spreads. This broker offers a welcome bonus and cashback bonuses with no requotes guaranteed and ultra-fast trade execution. TradeTime offers a simplistic, user-friendly website, and you can easily find more information about the accounts and instruments offered by choosing an option from the Trading tab. The homepage highlights the perks of being a client and lists key features of TradeTime accounts. Further down the homepage, you will also find a comparison table of the accounts offered, along with a list of instruments you can trade. There are also direct download links to the MetaTrader platforms and the TradeTime web trader, and you can use the menu bar at the bottom of the page to jump to different sections of the website. TradeTime currently offers more than 80 major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, as well as several crosses. This broker also offers a variety of indices, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The indices and stocks offered are from FTSE 100, the S&P 500, NASDAQ100 and DAX. Most major cryptocurrencies such as Ripple, Litecoin, Ether, and Bitcoin can be traded on TradeTime. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with TradeTime, click on the Trading tab and select the Markets option. This broker offers a 200% deposit welcome bonus for all accounts, and you can also earn up to $5 per round lot with the TradeTime cashback rebate program when you trade cryptocurrencies. TradeTime offers 5 types of trading accounts, and 4 of those accounts are entirely commission-free. All accounts are eligible for bonus offers and promotions, and the spreads on these accounts are very low. A minimum deposit of approximately $12 is required to open an account with TradeTime, and you can fund your account using US dollars. The Raw account and the VIP account have the tightest spreads, starting as low as 0 pips on the Raw account and 0.4 pips on the VIP account. All accounts are commission-free, however a small commission fee is charged on the Raw account. The Crypto account has Raw spreads and is currently the most popular account at TradeTime. If you are new to trading, we would recommend opening a demo account first, so that you can practice trading in a risk-free environment. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions TradeTime offers, click on the Trading tab and choose the Account Types option. As a TradeTime client, you can connect your accounts to the MetaTrader 5 servers. The MetaTrader platforms are currently the most popular and most reliable trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, the ability to hedge your positions, 38 built-in indicators, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and so much more. MetaTrader 5 can be used on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. download links can be found on the homepage, or you can click on the Trading tab and select the MetaTrader 5 platform option. TradeTime also offers a web trading platform with multiple drawing tools and charts that can be viewed as candlesticks, line charts, and bar charts. This platform comes with built-in indicators, including trend indicators, oscillators, Bill Williams indicators, and volume indicators. You can view charts in different timeframes, and plenty of helpful guides can be accessed directly from the WebTrader interface. Creating an account with TradeTime may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the TradeTime homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online application form, verify your account and email address, and once your account has been verified and set up, you can log into the client portal. Once your account is approved, you can fund your account and start trading. Once your account is ready, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader trading platform. Download and install the MetaTrader trading platform and then log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader trading terminal with TradeTime. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, you can find a wide variety of educational resources online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to get started. With regards to educational resources, TradeTime does not currently provide many educational resources that you can use to learn the basics of trading. However, if you have never used MetaTrader 5, as mentioned before, there are several user guides that you can read through to learn the basics of using the MetaTrader 5 platform. You will also have access to an updated economic calendar that you can use to keep track of all the latest economic news and market activity. TradeTime was awarded in 2021 for being the best Forex and CFD provider by Capital Finance magazine and for having the best Forex trading platform by Global FinTech. TradeTime's customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can contact them via live chat, telephonically, or via email. And they can also be contacted through social media platforms. Customer support is available in more than 10 languages, and you can find their contact details over on the Contact Us page. We would also recommend reading through the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered, and you will also find helpful guides and tips here. Overall, TradeTime offers 4 commission-free accounts and a raw spread account, with spreads from 0 pips. There are more than 80 Forex pairs that you can trade with TradeTime, along with plenty of commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. As a client, you can open multiple accounts, and all of them can be used on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. By trading with TradeTime, you will have access to thousands of technical indicators, advanced drawing tools, customizable charts, and so much more. If you are interested, be sure to open your TradeTime account today and make your first deposit to claim your welcome bonus. And that is our overview of TradeTime. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.